Design. Data flow diagram. A data flow diagram shows how data flows throughout a system. Design data flow diagram. A data flow diagram show how data flows throughout a system. System flowchart. A system flowchart shows the processes that take place within the system and the decisions that are made. It focuses on the logic of the system, rather than the data within the system. Data collection forms. These can include membership application forms, questionnaires, job applications, or others. It is important for the form to be designed properly by. Avoid color, as the document may not be printed in color. Include clear instructions on how to complete the form. Give clear instructions on how to return the form. Identify which questions must be answered and which are optional. Provide sufficient space for each answer. Avoid cluttering the form with too many questions. If scales are involved, clearly explain what they represent. Screen layouts. A screen can be used for both inputs and outputs. Screen layouts should follow the following principles. Use color sparingly and appropriately, only to differentiate values and not oversaturate the screen. Ensure all fonts are consistent. Avoid cluttering the screen with too much information, but make sure space is used as efficiently as possible. Ensure principles for designing a form are followed if user input is required. Data dictionary. A data dictionary is a document or file that describes the structure of the data held within the database. It will include information about field names, data types, field size, default values, primary keys, and validation rules.